Hey, this is Greg at Cyclopedia, and I just got in our Motorscan 6050 scan tool. We happen to have the master kit, so we're going to go ahead and get it out of the box and hook it up to some machines and start to get familiar with it. So we've got these boxes out of our main shipping box here, and this would be the scan tool in the carrying case. We previously had the older version of this tool, which came in a nice case. We'll see what this one looks like. Probably nice as well. This should be the cable kit. I'm thinking the 10 most popular manufacturers should be the cables to link up to those in here. And then this is the new DVOS 6053 accessory, which does many things we'll learn about here, but one of the ones I'm excited about is the syncing of throttle bodies and carburetors. That should handle that, which is really awesome. So let's open up the first box here carefully and see what's in here. Right, so this is a similar looking case, very high quality for your nice fancy tool to keep it safe. Let's go ahead and open it up. Got some important documentation to look over here. Got a quick start guide, which will probably be useful. The tool itself, we'll get it out of the packaging shortly. Protective carrying case, which will be handy, especially if you're doing some onboard diagnostics there. And it looks like a variety of power adapters and probably some charging stuff there. And a few varieties of the universal cable. Looks like hook it up to a monitor here, and the battery hookup here, and of course a USB cable. All right, now let's get the cables out here. Now, unfortunately, in power sports, there's not one standard cable. You need different cables for different manufacturers and sometimes even different generations of vehicles. But this has all been worked out and easy to navigate as far as cable fitment. So these would be your most popular cables if you want to just kind of skip mixing and matching, getting a few here and there, and just get the most popular ones right off the bat. These are all nicely packaged and all laid out for you to connect to quite a few machines, it looks like, and we'll get further into this, of course, as we move along. Let's get out our DVOS accessory here. This is going to allow us to do some other things, such as tuning, syncing of throttle bodies. You can even use this to sync carburetors. To expand this beyond just fuel injection is the way I understand this, and we'll learn about that as well. So it's got its own separate carrying case, similar to the 6050. All right. So we got plenty of hose in here. We can hook it up to a 4-cylinder engine. Got a lot of nice little adapters in here for hooking up to the intake ports. And like the 6050, this has a quick start guide, which we'll be reading over and putting this stuff to use. So this is the contents of the master kit we've unboxed now. And we're gonna get into this stuff and hook it up to some machines, see some of the uses and benefits of having this equipment and the necessity of it really at this day and age. And we'll link to this video with all the other videos that we do with this, so you can see this in action and get familiar with it with us.